Hello everyone and welcome back to MK Lattice Studio. Brass wire art looks simple, but creating clean and professional results can be challenging. Small details like straight wires, clean solder joints, and accurate bends can make a huge difference. In this video, I will share 5 important tips that I learned from my own projects. These simple techniques will help you create cleaner, stronger, and more beautiful wire sculptures. Let's get started. Tip 1. Straightening brass wire. The first tip is how to straighten brass wire. When starting this art, one of the biggest challenges is getting perfectly straight wire. A straight wire is the foundation of a clean and accurate project. The method I use is very simple. First, choose a suitable length of brass wire. Attach one end to a drill and hold the other end with pliers. Now, slowly turn the drill 3 times. Then change the drill direction and repeat the process 3 more times. This is important because it removes the internal twist from the wire. After this process, you will have a straight and smooth wire, ready for your project. Tip 2. Cleaning your soldering iron. The second tip is about keeping your soldering iron clean. When your soldering iron is new, the tip is usually clean and shiny, but after many soldering jobs, it becomes dark and dirty. A dirty tip makes soldering much harder. There are different ways to clean it. You can use a commercial tip cleaner, or you can make a simple cleaner yourself. For my projects, I use a small stainless steel scrub pad attached to the soldering iron holder. It works very well and keeps the tip ready for soldering. Tip 3. Bending brass wire correctly. The third tip is about bending the wire. This is one of the most important skills in brass wire art. For clean and accurate bends, always use needle nose pliers. Regular pliers are too large and can damage the shape. Remember, this is delicate work and it needs delicate tools. Try to bend the wire carefully and avoid bending the same area many times. If you need a sharp angle, you can make a small cut on the back of the wire using side cutters. This small step can help you create a cleaner bend. Tip 4. Better soldering technique. The fourth tip is soldering. In my opinion, this is one of the most important parts of this art. A common mistake is melting solder directly on the soldering iron. Instead, first place the soldering iron on the wire and heat the surface. Then touch the solder to the heated area. This creates a stronger and cleaner connection. To make perfect 90-degree joints, I use a small metal block as a guide. I fix the wire in place with paper tape and then start soldering. This helps reduce mistakes and keeps the structure accurate. Some materials, like motor bodies, can be difficult to solder. For better results, lightly scratch the surface with sandpaper before soldering. This helps the solder stick much better. Sometimes you need to hold the wire while soldering. Be careful, because the wire can become very hot. If your soldering iron has temperature control, lowering the temperature can help prevent burns. Tip 5. Design before building. The final tip is planning your design before you start building. A good design can save a lot of time and reduce mistakes. For my projects, I usually create drawings in AutoCAD and use 3D modeling in 3ds Max. This helps me check proportions and improve accuracy. But these tools are not necessary. You can also start with a simple hand drawing on paper. The most important thing is having a clear plan before you build. These were my 5 essential tips for brass wire art. I hope these techniques help you create cleaner and more professional projects. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to MK Lattice Studio. I would also love to hear your ideas and experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next project.